Hi friends, in this session we will going to see the how to do the CRD data analysis for unequal number of replications for 2 replications and 22 treatments. This design is for the equal number of replications. You can see it. You can call it observations or plots or replications. Okay. So below that you can see how to do the data analysis. There is a two type of data. Okay, you just copy paste your previous data which is you added in Excel sheet, or just you need to give the manual input. Okay, you can see here the character name. You can type here character name, like for example I'll write here, just you can type here because this is the fully automatic and customizable design, because when I will provide this design to you, it's a soft copy so that you can easily edit where you need it. Okay, you can put here the plant weight. Okay, you need to give the unit, it's very important unit. Okay, you can just put the manual data here, or just you copy paste whatever data you obtained from your research, you can just copy paste over here. Okay, and in this design, very important task, you need to just change red color values. Okay, don't change any formula from this Excel sheet because it's very important. If you change any formula from this sheets, this design will give you wrong results, so that you just need to, if you want to change, you can change these red color values, don't modify anything. Okay, because it's interlinked with the different tables, so you just need to change this data entry cells only. Okay, if you want to modify, you can just modify the values or just copy paste. When you copy paste the values, you should have to remember one thing. When you pasting, you just right click or paste special. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, let's see. I copy this data, select first cell, then right click. You can see here the paste options. Okay, in paste options, choose only the values option. Okay, remember this, you choose only values option and just click on it. Okay, you can see this is a design for 22 treatments and 2 replications. You called it plots or replications. Okay, in this design I'll give the brief information about what you will get exactly from this Excel sheet when you buy. Okay, you can see if anything you needed extra as compared to the whatever I gave you in this design, then definitely ask me to do that, then definitely I will add that point in our design. Okay, so you can see here you will get the treatment total, then you will get the treatment average, that is the treatment mean. Then you can see here you will get the grand total value. Okay, grand total. Then below that you will get the ANOVA table, that is analysis occurrence. Okay, let me expand it. Okay, you can see ANOVA table is very important. Okay, so look at the variation over here. We consider the source of variation in that. We consider for the source of variation as only treatments. When there is RBD design, we can consider the replication as a source of variation and treatment also. But in CRD design, we consider the only treatment as a source of variation. Below that, you will get the error. You also called it residual. Okay. Below that you will get the total. You can see here the degrees of freedom. If you need to remember this formula, then definitely you can remember the formula for E degrees of freedom, that is EDF. Okay, that is T minus 1 for the treatments, N minus T for the error, and N minus 1 for the total. You need to calculate the sum of square, but our design, everything is available, and this is the fully automatic design, so you don't need to do anything, just you need to put or give the input values, and rest of the thing design will do. So you will get here the sum of square, then you will get the mean sum of square, If you want formula for mean sum of square, it is very easy, sum of square divided by degrees of freedom. Then F calculator you will get, then F table you will get for the 5%. You remember in agriculture we mostly consider the level of significance at 5%. Okay, and also I provide it 1% as well. Okay, so you'll get both. If you want for the 5%, you can consider for the 5%. If you want for 1%, then you can consider for the 1%. Then very important, you will get here the significance, that is NS, it means non-significant. Okay, and if here is SIG, then it is significant. Okay, so you'll get for the both 1% and 5%. You can see here that you'll get the correction factor, and this correction factor is needed for the calculation of sum of square. Then CV, you remember CV is always in percentage. Okay, you can see here the CV value is too high value. Okay, so remember less than 5% for lab and control environment condition research. Okay, and greater than 5 and less than or equal to 20% for field experiment. Okay, you remember this. Then you will get the standard error mean, standard error difference. Then you will get the CD value at 5% and CD value at 1%. Okay, remember here, if your treatments are non-significant, then you don't mention the CD value, you just put CD value as a NA. Okay, if your treatments are significant, then you should have to mention the CD values, and if your treatments are non-significant, then don't go for post hoc analysis. Okay, if treatments are significant, then definitely you need to put the CD value as well as you need to do the post hoc analysis. If you have any query regarding the post hoc analysis, then definitely ask me. I will give the information regarding the post hoc analysis, how to do the post hoc analysis in Excel, or if you want any other information, if you want to do manually by your hand, then definitely I will give you how to do that exactly. Okay, you can see here you will get the final thesis table also. Okay, you can mention that all the treatments, then below you'll get the standard error. Okay, then CD value at 5%. If you want here, instead of this significance, if you want probable value, then ask me, I'll add that as well here. Okay, below you'll get the graphical data representation. You need to just change the name of this axis title and also the graph name. What character we choose? Plant weight. So you can give here the plant weight. Then for axis title you can give here the plant weight in grams, and you can write here the treatments. Okay, here treatments, here plant weight in gram, then here plant weight character name. Okay, this is very simple and easy method, okay, to do the data analysis. If you want to do the modification of any data, or if there is a mistake in data, for example, once you put that data, if you want to modify that data, then definitely you will go for that. Because if here you can see 311, then I want to make it 200, then you can just enter 200. Okay, so this is fully automatic, so that you will get the that changes in this table as well as in ANOVA. Okay, so if you want to buy this type of Excel sheet, then definitely contact me. You will get my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video. Then definitely contact me. Or if any query regarding your research, then definitely ask me in the comment box, or definitely ask me on the WhatsApp. Definitely I will going to address that whatever query you have. Okay, thank you so much for watching.